Bassheads, what's up? Alright, so I want to do a flex video today. I did a little bit of editing on some music. I want to try Fabulous, and it's a DJ 31 Degrees remix, but I remixed it up some more, slowed it, cleaned it up a little bit. So it's tuned probably around 28 to 30 hertz, so it should flex pretty good. Alright, let's see what she does.
31 degrees.
Alright guys, so now we're going to play the good old 25 hertz sub bass excursion. I haven't played this song with the new power yet. Yeah, I think it gets down pretty good. Alright, Bassheads, so there's a little bit of flex for you. I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. Man, you guys all rock. I get lots of other guys that I talk to and watch that get a lot of haters, a lot of that crap going on, and I really don't get too much of that, so that's pretty badass. I got some really cool subscribers. Just another big thank you to all you guys. And for you guys that follow me on Facebook or on the Team Implode audio page, big shout out to all you guys. If you don't, you can find me on Facebook. The link is right on my YouTube page. Alright, you guys, there'll be more to come. Later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Implode Audio, for the love of bass.